2 stages to this recipe. To make the filling, you need some freshly minced chicken, garlic, ginger, onions and coriander. You'll also need a range of ground spices to give your momo their distinctive flavour. Finally, a few seasonings are added to make these Morris snacks even more mouth-watering. The dough for the momo wrappers is very easy to make and features just a few very common ingredients. First, we need to prepare the filling. Take a large mixing bowl and place about 200 grams of minced chicken into it. Put the bowl to one side and then peel and dice a large red onion. Put the onion into the bowl with the chicken. Next, take a bunch of fresh spring onions, remove their stalks and then finely slice them like so. Again, add these to the mixing bowl along with the other ingredients. A teaspoon of fresh chopped coriander will add distinctive flavour to the mix. In order to bind the filling together, liberally pour about 3 tablespoons of cooking oil over the mixture. Season with a generous dash of salt and a teaspoon of soy sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of curry powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric and a full teaspoon of ground cumin seeds. Other key ingredients of the filling include garlic and ginger pastes. You'll need about half a tablespoon of each. Now mix the ingredients together well. Then cover and refrigerate while you make the dumpling wrappers. For this part of the recipe, you'll need about 200 grams of plain flour in another large mixing bowl. Slowly mix in a cup of water with your hands. Continue to knead the mixture until it begins to combine together to form a nice dough. You may need to do this for about 10 minutes before your dough is ready. Liberally sprinkle some flour onto your worktop and roll out the dough to a thickness of a few millimetres. Then, carefully pick up the dough and turn it over before rolling it again, this time until it's only 1 to 2 millimetres thick. Flour the top of the flattened dough and flip it over again. Now take an egg ring and cut out as many circles as you can. Remember to re-roll any excess dough and cut more circles. Now is the time to fill our beautiful momo dumplings. First, cover a plate with a little oil. This will prevent the dumplings from sticking. To fill, hold a wrapper in one hand and place a tablespoon of filling mixture onto it. With the other hand, bring all the edges to the centre, making little pleats as you go. Pinch and twist the pleats to ensure the absolute closure of the stuffed dumpling. Place your dumplings onto the oil plate until you are ready to cook them. Fill a steamer with water and place it on your stove. Then oil the steamer rack well. This is important as it will prevent the dumplings from sticking. Place the dumplings into the steamer and allow a little space for them to expand during cooking. When your water is boiling, place the lid on the steamer rack and then place the dumplings over the boiling water for about 8 to 10 minutes. Serve your momos immediately on a plate with a generous serve of golbeder ko achar, which we will make shortly. They really are a mouth-watering and satisfying snack that's well worth the effort of making.